In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create OneDrive group. Whether you're collaborating on a project or sharing files with friends or colleagues, setting up a OneDrive group is a fantastic way to streamline communication and file sharing. Let's get started and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Head over to the OneDrive website and log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one before we can proceed. Just follow the on-screen instructions to sign up, and then you're ready to go. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar and locate the Shared option. This is where you can manage your shared content. Click on it to get started. Once you're on the Shared page, look for the option that says Start a Group. This step might vary slightly depending on any updates Microsoft may have made to their interface, but usually, you'll find this option clearly labeled. Clicking on Start a Group will prompt a new window or page to open where you can name your group. Choose a descriptive name that will be easily recognizable to all members. Something as simple as Project Team or more specific like Marketing Campaign 2023 works well. After entering your group's name, click Next. Next, you'll be asked to add members to your group. This is where you can invite your colleagues, friends, or anyone you want to collaborate with. Just enter their email addresses in the provided field. As you type, OneDrive might suggest contacts from your existing network. If it's a close-knit group, don't worry about reaching a large number, it's all about quality and relevance of the participants. After adding your members, take a moment to decide on permissions for each person. You'll typically have options such as Can Edit or Can View. This determines if members can make changes to the files or just view them. Consider the roles of each member when assigning permissions to ensure a smooth collaboration process. Once you're satisfied, click Create. After your group is created, it's time to put it to use. Within the group, you'll see options to upload files and create new documents. This is your collaborative workspace. Encourage your group members to contribute actively, sharing any necessary files and updates. Communication is key, so keep everyone in the loop about changes or additions. Remember, OneDrive also offers a mobile app, so everyone can stay connected and up to date, even on the go. It's a convenient way to access files from anywhere at any time. That's it. With these simple steps, you've just set up your OneDrive group, ready to enhance teamwork and productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Happy collaborating!